Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shamin Arif and I am a student of Rehan College as a facilitator. I am currently working and learning new skills to improve myself. तो आज हमारे साथ हमारी गेस्ट मौजूद हैं जिनका नाम है रेहाना प्रिंटिंग वाली। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं मैम आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र है अल्लाह ताला का।
ठीक है, आप अपना शॉर्ट इंट्रो दीजिए ताकि हमारे देखने वाले आपके बारे में जान सकें।
जी ज़रूर। माय नेम इज़ रेहाना आबिद, पेरेंटिंग वाली, एंड आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ रेहान टीचिंग ट्रेनिंग फिजिकल program, and I am a graduate in Islamic history, and uh, now I'm learning AI from Rehan School.
Okay. Today I am here to conduct an interview on a interesting topic, vulnerability in leadership and innovation. So let's start without time spent. Um, तो मेरा आपसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट vulnerability means in the context of leadership and why it is important?
Vulnerability in leadership means that a leader is willing to be honest, open, and human with their team. It does not mean showing weakness. Instead, it means accepting mistakes, asking for help, sharing challenges, and being open to learning. Vulnerable leaders create trust because people feel comfortable communicating with them. And modern leadership vulnerability is important because it encourage teamwork, creativity, and strong relationships.
Okay. Why do successful leaders need to show vulnerability is today world?
Today world is changing quickly, and leaders cannot have all the answer alone. Showing vulnerability allows leaders to accept new ideas, learn from others, and adopt to change. Successful leaders understand the belong open. That being open and honest builds respect and creates culture when people feel valued and motivated.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे, हाउ कैन अ लीडर शो vulnerability while still maintaining confidence and authority?
A leader can show vulnerability by being honest about changes, challenges, while continuing to make responsible discussion. Confidence come from accepting reality and finding solution, not from pretending to be perfect. A strong leader can say, I need support or I made mistake while still guiding the team towards success.
Okay, why do some leaders struggle with showing vulnerability?
Many leaders fear that showing vulnerability will make others think they are weak or incapable. Traditional leadership often focus on appearing powerful and having complete control. However, modern leadership recognize that openness and honesty actually increase trust and respect among team members.
Okay, how does vulnerability help leaders build trust with their teams?
Vulnerability helps leaders build trust because employees feel that their leader is genuine and approachable. When leaders share their experiences, admit mistakes, and listen to others, team members feel respected. That creates stronger relationship and encourages better cooperation.
Okay, how can vulnerable leadership improve communication in an organization?
Vulnerable leaders create an environment where people feel safe and express their thoughts and concern. They encourage open conversation and reduce fear between leaders or employees. Better communication leads to fewer misunderstandings, stronger teamwork, and more effective problem solving.
Okay, how does vulnerability encourage innovation and creativity?
Innovation requires people to experiment, talk risk, and share new ideas. When leaders show vulnerability, they create a safe environment where employees are not afraid of failure. This encourages creativity because people feel comfortable suggesting new solution and exploring different possibilities.
Okay. What is the difference between vulnerability and weakness in leadership?
Weakness means avoiding responsibility or giving up. When facing challenges, vulnerability means having the courage to accept challenges, admit mistakes, and seek improvement. A vulnerable leader is not weak. Instead, they show emotion, strength, and willingness to grow.
Okay. How can leaders use their mistakes as opportunities of learning?
Leaders can learn from mistakes by analyzing what went wrong, accepting responsibility, and finding way to improve. When leaders openly discuss their mistakes, they teach their teams that failure is a part of growth. This creates a learning culture where people focus on improvements instead of blame.
Okay. How does admitting mistakes make a leader more effective?
Admitting mistakes shows honesty and responsibility. It helps leaders gain respect because employees see them as trustworthy and realistic. It also encourages others to accept their own mistakes and work towards solution instead of hiding problems.
Okay. How can vulnerability improve teamwork and collaboration?
Vulnerability helps team members feel connected and respected. When leaders show openness, employees are more likely to share ideas, support each other, and work together. This creates a collaborative environment where everyone contributes their skill and knowledge.
Okay. Why is physiological safety important for innovation?
Psychological safety means people feels comfortable sharing ideas, asking questions, and making mistakes without fear of punishment. It is important for innovation because creativity grows when people feel free to experiment and think differently.
Okay. How can leaders create a safe environment for employees to share ideas?
Leaders can create safety to be by listening actively respecting different opinions, encouraging discussion, and avoiding harsh reaction to mistakes. When employees know that their ideas are valued, they become more confident and creative.
Okay. How does empathy support vulnerable leadership?
Empathy helps leaders understand the feelings, challenges, and needs of their team members. A leader who shows empathy creates stronger connections and can support employees better. The improves motivation, trust, and workplace relationship.
Okay. How can vulnerability help organization handle failure?
Vulnerability helps organizations see failure as a learning opportunity instead of a disaster. Leaders who openly discuss challenges encourage team to analyze problems and create better solutions. This mind of support continues important and innovation.
Okay. How does vulnerability help leaders manage change?
Change can create uncertainty, but vulnerability leaders communicate honestly about challenges and future goals. They involve their team in the process and build confidence. This helps employees adopt more easily and support new ideas.
Okay. How can leaders balance vulnerability and decision making?
Leaders can balance vulnerability by being open about challenges while still taking responsibility for discussion. Being vulnerable does not mean avoiding leadership. It means using honesty and teamwork to make better choice.
How does vulnerability influence employee motivation?
Employees feel more motivated when they work with leaders who appreciate their efforts and understand their challenges. Vulnerable leaders create a sense of belonging, which increase commitment and encourage people to perform better.
Okay. Why is self-awareness important for vulnerable leaders?
Self awareness helps leaders understand their emotions, strengths, weakness, and behavior. A self aware leader can recognize areas for improvement and make better decisions. It also helps them build a stronger relationship with others.
Okay. How can vulnerability make leaders more innovation?
Vulnerability allows leaders to accept that they do not know everything. This opens encourage them to seek different perspective and explore new ideas. Innovative leaders learn from others and create environments where creativity can grow.
Okay. How can leaders develop vulnerability as an important leadership skill?
Leaders can develop a vulnerability by practicing honestly, safe awareness, and openness. They should accept that they are not perfect and understand that learning is a continuous process. By sharing experience, listening to others, and accepting feedback, leaders can become more approachable and emotionally intelligent.
Okay. Why is emotional intelligence important in vulnerable relationship and leadership?
Emotional intelligence helps leaders understand and manage their own emotions while recognizing the feelings of others. A leader will emotional intelligent can respond to challenges calmly, build better relationships, and create a support environment where employed feel respected and valued.
Okay. How can vulnerable leaders encourage employers to take creative risks?
Vulnerable leaders encourage creative risk by showing that mistakes are part of the learning process. When leaders share their own experiences of failure and growth, employees feel less afraid of trying new ideas. This creates a culture where innovation and experimentation can grow.
Okay. How does vulnerability improve problem solving in organizations?
The vulnerability improves problem solving because leaders because open to different opinions and solutions instead of pretending to know everything. The involve their teams and use collective knowledge. This leads to better discussion and more effective solutions.
Okay. Why should innovation leaders accept feedback from others?
Innovative leaders understand that feedback helps them improve ideas and strategies. Accepting feedback shows humility and willingness to grow. It also encourages employees to share honesty opinion, which can lead to better innovation.
Okay. How can vulnerability create a positive workplace culture?
Vulnerability create a positive workplace culture by promoting trust, respect, and openness. When leaders show authenticity, employees feel more connected and supported. This creates a workplace where people cooperate, communicate, and contribute their best efforts.
Okay. How can leaders overcome the fear of being vulnerable?
Leaders can overcome their fear by understanding that vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. They can start with the small steps, such as sharing their thoughts, honestly asking for help, and accepting feedback. Over time, Vulnerability becomes a natural part of effective leadership.
Okay, how does vulnerable leadership support continuous improvement?
Vulnerable leadership supports continuous improvement because leaders are willing to learn and change the recognized areas where improvement is needed and encourage their team to do same. The creative culture, growth and development.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मिस रेहाना कि आपने हमें अपना इतना कीमती वक्त दिया और हमारे साथ इंफॉर्मेटिव और इंटरेस्टेड बातें शेयर की। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you all. Thank you very much.
ओके, इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट गेस्ट के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।